Mads, na nakay answer katugad ng gihatag ni Sir Rodel gahapon, ipapas mo dahil ugma na nakay answer. Ay, kato di ay. Yes, actually, katugad ng paghatag ni Sir Daan, nag-answer na jugo ato Mads, sayon na jugay nastanan. Grabe, bisan pagpiyong nga. Wala pong hatagugan Sir B, na-stress na jud kay ko, kay pas nang dito ugma ni nakalimot man ko, uy, kay naamong kay gitrapaw sa mua, saan dito di ay. Well, actually Mads, ang unsa ka sekreto jud nako nga nung perfect ayo ko sa mga answeran ano, it's because of CyMath. Math is not everyone's strong suit. For students heading back to school after the holidays, CyMath app is the perfect tool for making it easier. You can either type in a math problem or take a screenshot on your notebook, and CyMath will walk you through it step by step. Allow me to share some tutorials for you in making your math problems easier to solve. Hi, so first thing first that we need to do is to go to our Google Play Store and just type CyMath. And then there it is, CyMath Math Problem Solver. We need to install this one. So it's now installing. It is also verified by Play Protect on our Google Play Store, in which it is completed now. Okay, let's open the app. As what you see, this is the app. So this is CyMath. So first thing na I will introduce to you the features of CyMath is that you need to click these 3 bars here. Tada. You will see the language. You can change it to your preferable language. And also, we have here the reference. Kanina part. The parts of the learning. First is the reference, the practice, and the blog. So first thing the first thing that I will be introducing to you, my dearest students, is the reference. So here in the reference, you can see different lessons. We have here the algebra, the common logarithms, exponents, the product rule, the quotient rule. It is the primary rule of algebra. Imaginary numbers, the natural logarithm, sums and difference of squares and cubes, trigonometric identities, the Pythagorean, the reciprocal, the ratio, the differentiation in terms of calculus, the integration. And in integration, there is the constant factor rule, the power rule, the sum rule, and a lot of rule that we need to study. So in order for us to be prepared, so if you want to have a review on the product rule and the common logarithms, you'll just to pislit that. Yeah, and dinadadayon mo gawas ang description, yung examples, and so if pari po gani exponents, the quotient rule or states that, yeah, CyMath is very good. As in, I am using CyMath. Actually, it is not new to me because I'm using it last year. I was introduced by one of my friends that CyMath is great, especially in remembering those rules that is very applicable jud in terms of mathematics. So sa di na ko magangilangay after the reference, ang hinapunta ni practice. So in the practice part, nani mga practice problems nga nagalain-lain nga topic nasa pre-algebra, the algebra, the calculus. So inara na siya yung mga problems diha. Dahil na pa ni corresponding solution. Just click the solution part and then it's all done. Makita na nimo ang step-by-step solution. So it's very nice. CyMath is very nice actually. So after the practice, we'll now have the blog. So what's the blog all about? So if mag-install mo ni app in your mobile phone, nani siya problem of the week, which is naara po corresponding solution, step-by-step solution. So for this week, we brought to you this algebra problem. So how can we complete the factors of 30n squared minus 559n plus 28? So the factor out, the term, so naara dayo solution and naara po yung answer. So murag refreshment every week ang sa kuan nga part sa blog. So let's now proceed to the main topic, or kung sa kuan pa main climax of the story. So here in our CyMath, natin 2 types or 2 ways on finding your answers. Not just finding your answers in a convenient way. Because also here in CyMath, we can also manage to have a review. Okay, kanang makita mo sa steps on how you derive that certain answer. So natin duha magi keyboard o si camera. So first, ari pud tani keyboard. So maghatag ta og example kuno hay kuno. So we have here duha pa ni nga klase diri nga kon guys. Pwede na nimo maana, pwede sa nimo maana diri skillet. Ana. So natin example. Fraction. logarithm of 3x minus 7 squared over the logarithm of 4 is equal to 10. So, dili po nga part na green nila. Imo po nang anha ka mag-base kung unsaon to nimo ang imong problem nga gina-input. Imo ba to siyang i-differentiate? Imo ba to siyang i-expand? I-factor ba? I-graph ba nimo or i-integrate, simplify, or solve the equation? It is very nice nga we can say that if ever di ay ang kaninga problem, it's not for differentiation, it's for graphing lang. So, nakipapilian kung unsaon to nimo a certain problem. So, for that certain problem na itong gina-input, ato to siyang i-solve. Okay, so let's click that green button, and then you got it, ladies and gentlemen. We have now the steps, and after that steps, we will now derive to our solution or to our answer, which is x is equals to 1031 over 3, and in decimal form, we have 343.666667. The next step now we need to use kunuhay is ng camera. So, naka-given problem there, guys. Product rule ni siya in derivation. Naato na siyang i-scan. Alam ka kurog. So, we have here d over dx e to the power of x cosine x. So, dapat yun dito sa step 1 yun, i-use na ito ang product rule. Masaman ang product rule states that. So, it is, and then we now come up with an answer of ex cosine x minus ex sine x. So, I guess that would be all for the CyMath app. And I know, guys, nga, if you will be installing this app, you can gain a lot of knowledge. And tell me if I'm wrong, na you really can do, or you really can have a review in terms of using this app, because there are a lot of problems, or there are a lot of practice problems that you need to, or imong makuha, labi na dali sa practice problem, imong makuha. And in that practice problem itself, it is very helpful na in putting some knowledge na in that certain topic. Okay, I guess that would be all. Thank you.